So now we'll see what are the operations we can perform in sets. You can access element in a set, like just in the previous video I have shown you we cannot index an item with sets, but we can access item, like we can loop it and check whether the item is present or not. In that way we can access an item in a set. We can add items to an existing set. We can add few more items to a set. As this set does not maintain any indexes, it just adds items to the set. It's not necessarily at the end, or like in other data structures, like if we don't have index, we cannot add an item at the particular position. We just can add to the set, and it will add wherever it wants. And we can remove an item from the set based upon the value of the item, and we can clear the complete set. We can delete the complete set. So now let's see these examples in our IDE. I will open my Python IDE. So here first I will see how we can access a set. Like I said in the earlier video, we cannot access sets like this. There is no indexing in sets because sets does not have any index. Like in other programs, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, like in other data structures like lists or tuples. But that's not the case in sets. So how the one way we can is for I can write a for loop for I in my set, and now here we can print I for I in. So what you can see is we can check all the items in the set and we can print one by one. You can see it prints 1, 2.5, 3 and 25. So this is the way we can access an item. This is not really accessing an item, but in this way you can see all the items in a set. You can see we got an error here because it says clearly add takes only one argument. We cannot add multiple arguments like this. We can only give one item, so it will only add one item at a time. So now if I run sets, you will see this one somewhere here. You can see this one here printed in the set. So now if I run this again, you will see you will see the list of items 1, 2.5, 3, 1 and 25. So if you want to add another item, we can loop and add items, but at a time we cannot add multiple items. That is also one of the difference with the sets compared to other data structures like set, lists and tuples. So this is about accessing, this is about adding. Now I have to remove an element from a set. So write my set dot remove. I'll just remove the one which I added 1. Now I'll print my set again. So now it should ideally remove the 1. Let's see. You can see that one is removed, the one which I've added, this ONE. So that is removed from the set. So if I want to remove the complete set, if I want to delete the complete set, like I will delete my set. Now if I print my set, I have done this like this is same for list and tuple. So after deleting this, when we run this my set, like in lists and tuples we see an error. Similarly here also will see an error. My set is not defined because it's already deleted here. For just confusion's sake, I will just comment all these print statements. It's printing so that we might get confused that set is printed. So now if I run this, I also need to comment this for loop. So now if I run this, you can see the error immediately. My set dot remove 1. You can see my set is not defined. You can see the error immediately. My set is not defined because we have deleted here, and after that I'm printing. So in that line will show me that my set is not defined. So that's how we can delete a set. So these are the basic operations you can perform in sets.